Today, I'm going to do Echo Find Letters with you. I'm going to do it in Fun Hub, but later on today, you'll do it in Seesaw. In Seesaw, you'll listen to the sounds by clicking the play button on each page. Listen as I say the sounds. I'm going to show you what it would look like. The sound is an. Repeat. This is where I'll say it. An. Elbows up. Let's tap. And notice when I tap that word, I put two fingers together and tap it with them glued together. Those fingers are glued because "an" is a glued sound. It makes one tap. Now I'm going to find it on my letterboard and drag it. "An" says "an." Let me do the next one. The next one is "ong." Ong. Elbows up. Let's tap that. Ong. Notice I tapped three fingers because there's three letters that go together, are glued together to make the ong sound. Now let's find it. "ONG" says ong. The next one is the sound ink. Ink. I see it right here. Let me tap it. Ink. Drag those letters up. INK says ink. The next sound is unk. Unk. Elbows up, let's tap. Unk. Drag it. Check it. UNK says unk. My last sound that I'm going to show you today is the sound ang. Ang. Elbows up, let's tap. Ang. Now drag it. Well, I'll drag it. You'll do this later. Now check. ANG says ang. In this video, I showed you how to do Echo Find Letters on Fun Hub. Remember, you'll use Seesaw to do Echo Find Letters. You'll click the play button to listen to the sounds and words. Good luck!